Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram reel lag problem. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, you have to click on the profile icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you have to click on the menu that is present at the top right corner of your screen. In your menu, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the media quality. In media quality, you have to make sure that the first option that says use less cellular data is turned off, as enabling this can cause serious lag issues of Instagram Reels. One more thing that you can try doing is clearing the cache of your Instagram application. So to do that, you have to open up your iPhone settings. On your iPhone settings, you have to click on General. In General, you have to click on iPhone Storage. Now from here, you have to choose Instagram. Now you simply have to click on the option that says Offload App and you will be able to easily clear the cache that is stored in your Instagram application. So that's how you can fix your Instagram reel lag problem. So everyone, that's all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.